All right. The next step in this whole procedure is to take and put on the stabilizer cables. We're going to walk to the front and I'll show you exactly where they take and clip on. Lay your cables out in a smooth area. If you take and come to the front of your machine, you'll take and find a loop right here underneath where it says north side. Clip your clip in, simple as that. Take the other one underneath the tongue and clip it in. Okay? After that, lay out your cables so that you know where they're at and they're in a smooth, non-kinking area. Now our controller is on the other side, so that's where we're going to lay this out so that I can be in control of these cables as they go up. Okay. Right now we're pretty well ready to take and put this machine up. As you see on the ground right there, I've got the tram controller. And remember I told you it only went in one way. Here's your plug right here. And you'll notice the spline on the top of the plug. When you lift up the opening, you'll see the spline where it only fits in one way at the top. You must take and use the finger holds to push on to get it all the way in. Once that is accomplished, take and undo your cord so you can get the maximum length, because you're going to have to take and watch the front as it comes up. You're also going to have to take and hold on to your stabilizer cables to ensure they don't get caught in anything. Now you notice we've put a 15-foot cord on here so you can walk all the way to the front and do those kind of procedures, okay? The other thing I've got to look for is to make sure that I'm jacked up high enough to take and make sure the back of my wall does not rub on the concrete or wherever it's going to be set up. So as we go up, we're going to watch this back pivot point also. It's a lot of things to take and do all at once. All right, we ready to roll up?